Hi, now we are going to discuss about the UART. So you know that LPC2148 has two UARTs. One is UART0 and this is going to be UART1. So you know that very well. We are doing all our programming through UART0 and this is the main port for programming side. At the first video I have explained you that these are the two major switches to make the LPC2148 to a programming mode. So whenever you are converting into a programming mode, initially you have to press the reset button first, then boot simultaneously, then you have to release the reset button, then you have to release the boot button. Now we are going to see the demo about UART0 and UART1. So now I have removed this two jumps. So when you are using on the automatic programming, you should use this two jumps. When you are going to use the UART0 and UART1, in that case you have to remove these two pins and you have to go for the manual programming. So I'll show you the demo how it is going to work. So I'll load the program. So close the project. I'll go for the new project. So you have the demo code here called UART0. So I am opening this. Compile it. Once compile, go for the Philips utility. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to reset. So when you are going for the programming mode, initially I told you that this is the major portion. Use DTR RTS for the reset and bootload section. This option is for automatic concern. Since now we are going to use UART0 as a data output, so we cannot able to go for automatic option because the boot pin will make it is on the pull-up side, so you cannot able to execute the code. For that condition, we have to remove these two jumps. So for the programming option, so press reset first, then go for boot, then release reset, then release boot, then select UART0 code, then upload flash. So you can see the upload. So now I'm not going to press the boot section. So you can see that automatic programming is not done. See, I'm not going to press it. Without pressing, I'm going to click this flash button. Your execution portion has been not done. So it's showing that communication error. So you want to do that, then you have to do the same operation. Once again, I'll explain you. Press reset button, then boot button, leave the reset, then boot. Then you press upload. Now you can see that your code is getting uploaded. So this is the first and major portion to be considered, that when you are going to load the program on the manual mode. So now already the code has been inputted. Since we have been taken this two jump, your reset portion will not be done automatically. So in the previous code you already have been seen that the reset portion has been done automatically by the Philips utility. Here we have to do manual reset. One reset is done, the program has been started. So another key point is we are going to communicate with the same common. We cannot able to open this utility at the same time. So you should close this utility. So I have a tool called a real time which can monitor the serial data. So once resetted, in the window you can see that UART0 test, and you have to keep 9600 baud rate and your data bit and the stop bit and parity bit. After a few seconds, the system will get ready to communicate with your serial port. So the same thing you have to do it on the serial port system. So here you have 9600 baud rate, then port number, data bit and parity bit. Now again I am resetting the system. So you can see the text there, welcome to Innovate Engineering Solution. Then now I'm going to key in using keyboard. So I'll show you the hardware. You can see the LCD display. So now I'm pressing A, B, C. So whatever I'm pressing on the keyboard, this data has been communicated through the system and it has been communicated to the converter and through the UART0, and it has been processed by the processor, then it is shown on the LCD display. You can see the indicator. When I am pressing the keyboard, data is transmitting from the computer and it has been given to the microcontroller. So this is the explanation for UART0. The same thing I am going to show the demo for UART1 to make sure that the controller two UARTs are working. So again you close this utility, then open flash utility, go for UART1 program, press reset, boot, then leave reset, then again boot. So the system is ready for uploading the program. Now your UART1 program has been uploaded here. For UART1 program, here we have 4 jumpers here. These 2 jumpers for UART0 and these 2 jumpers for UART1. Now it is connected to through Zigbee. If you are going to connect this jumper on other side, it will be connected to MAX 232. So what I am going to do is switch off your kit, take the jumper, place it on the other side so that it is easy to communicate with your computer. Remove the connector and place it on the other side. Okay, now the system is ready to communicate with UART1. Switch it on. Now UART1 program is getting executed, and same procedure you follow. Close the utility, open the real-time tool. Here port number, same port number, change the baud rate to 9600. So now I'm resetting the pin. Microcontroller getting resetting. You can see whenever I'm pressing the keys, it is getting inputted. So now you can see that I'm giving the key input to the computer, so that the data has been passed to UART1, and the same data we are getting on the LCD display. It shows our functionality of both UART0 and UART1 is working, and we have given both the demo for your experience. Thank you.